In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator profile. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to facebook.com and then click over your profile picture and then click help and support. Once you click help and support, click help center. So once you're on this page, you'll have to search up this access 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 Facebook, enter. So once you do that, you're gonna be redirected to this page where it's gonna show you lots of options. So here you're gonna click on the first option, access creator support from Facebook. So I'm gonna click on it. So here you're gonna submit a request to Facebook, so whether you can apply for a digital creator account. But in my case, it says that this feature is only available to some people right now. So most of the people, they won't have access to this feature. So only a few certified profiles, they'll only have access to this feature. So if you don't have, so then you can't apply to a digital creator profile. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.